Next in line.
Man in time, General.
Good day, sir. Can I have your passport?
See it, yeah.
Alright. What's the purpose of travel today, sir?
I know, sir. Like a shop me I go pan, you see me?
Shopping.
Yeah, man, I'm here. I test set of clothes I sell in Jamaica, right? You know?
And where are you traveling to?
Yo, sir, the New York, me I drop in,
New York.
Yeah, man.
Where in New York are you going to?
How your name again? Georgia.
You said Georgia, right?
Yeah, man. Georgia, man.
And who's in Georgia?
You saw me old lady, my mother, you know?
Mom.
Yeah, man, about 1 12 years show over there, you see me?
And how long you plan to visit for?
You know, sir, about 2 months, my G.
2 months. You're gonna be living the good life, man.
Yeah, man, I come here to live it up, my G. You know how long I wait for that visa, yeah?
Are you taking any gifts?
You know, so I have 2 roasted breadfruit and a couple of yeast in there and a nice suitcase.
So you do know that those things can't enter the United States, right?
You never know that, Ella. Why never tell me?
Yeah, we're gonna have to take those, bro.
Channel a star.
Let's check your documents here.
What happened?
Sir, I think you gave me the wrong passport, sir.
No, man, I right passport, man. I want to loan me roll it to them, man.
Sir, this is not you, sir.
What you mean, sir, me? Look on the passport, good enough.
Sir, this is not you, sir.
Me general, and me in the passport, me general. What am I saying to me?
Hey, Joe.
Yo.
Give me a second, man.
Alright.
Yo, look at this.
Y'all, hold up. What is this?
Yeah, that's the exact same thing I'm thinking, man.
So you talk to the brother, for? Something I go on in your star.
Okay, sir. Well, unfortunately, today we will not be able to let you into the United
What do you
States
mean?
of America.
You mean you can't let me
Yeah,
in?
we won't be able to let you in, man.
Something, what you do? Me just say me in the passport, brother.
But what I'm going to ask you to do is to take a step to your left, and you're going to go to my friend Joe right here.
Can't me once to start, brother.
He's going to carry you into a little room. Right, there's nothing to be afraid of. I'm going to ask you just to go with him. He's going to ask you a few more questions, and then you'll be on your way.
Channel a star. Can't me once to start, brother.